I love the finishes. The options you can have in this community are different than what I'm seeing in a lot of others. So if you're looking for a home with that little modern edge, if you want a new build that just feels amazing, this might be the right community for you. All right, here we are. Ready to check out this beautiful model home. Now, this one out of the box is 2,531 square feet, but as it is done here, it is 2,772 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, plus a den and a flex space, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. All right, let's take a look. So this is a cool look I've seen in some of the older homes in the community, but I really love the vaulted ceilings with the big beams, and I love the natural block. You have a 4-panel slider over there. You have 3 dining spaces. So what we have first is your traditional breakfast nook. Then we have this high top kitchen table. And over there, to the left of the entrance, is a formal dining room. So lots of space if you'd like to entertain. Look at these cabinets. I mean, these ceilings are probably 12 foot. I have to check the list, and they have the cabinetry going all the way up, which is perfect for seasonal storage. So we have a good sized walk-in pantry, double oven, microwave, lots of cabinetry. Look at this gorgeous sink. Dark and moody is this house. That's what we'll name this one. Now, there are gas options in the community. So even though this one's pictured with or modeled with an electric stove, you could put a gas stove in here. And I love the wine fridge edition. Which way do we go? Let's go to the left, which is where the primary suite, laundry room, and garage is. There's that natural block. And look at these. These are longer blocks than standard. It's not your 8/8/16. That's got to be like a 24 inch. It's 8/8/24. I don't know. I'm not a builder. Consult your builder for details. All right, let's go down and check out the primary suite. So we'll come back to the hallway on the right. That's where the garage is. Laundry room. But let's start here. Just got to take it all in. So pretty. 10-foot high ceilings. Now this bath and closet is expanded by 4 foot versus the model. So you have double sinks with this nice separation in the middle. This is like pushed out. The space is really wide. To really take in probably 10 feet in between the counters and the shower. Super spacious and luxurious. Little vanity over here. We have a nice walk-in closet. As with the other one, it's long, maybe not feel quite as long because we have cabinetry on all 3 sides. And then over here, the toilet. I love the little bows they put on it. Now this primary suite also has that patio, which we've seen on other models in this community, where it's a private patio to the suite. We have a gas fireplace on one side, and on the other side we've got some shutters that you can open or close. Let's go out there and look at those actually. Look at these shutters. So for this, I'm gonna put the camera back here so you can see this better. Hold on. Get myself in that shot. Let's see. So on the primary suite, the patio, fireplace is behind you, and we have this window with this accordion shutter where you can close it. There's our second panel. So that if you want it more enclosed, quiet, you want to block the wind, you can have it closed. Or the weather's nice, you can open it back up. And yeah, that's what that is. Okay, get out of here. So there is the gas fireplace. Okay, back in the primary suite. That was a lot. There's a lot to see in there. So coming out of the primary suite, remember we had our living space there. We're gonna go down this hallway and I'm gonna show you the laundry room and the guest bath. So there's a powder room for your guests. And then we have a nice big laundry room. We've got a stacked whirlpool washer and dryer. And look at this. So this is an Icon Core clean energy storage system. Very interesting. We have a little drop zone here. And this has an expanded 3-car garage. Now I'd love it if we can get this cute little truck with it. I know it's a Ford, but you know, it's still cute. With all this space. We have the single bay and the double bay. Now let's go back in and check out the guest bedrooms. So it is a true split bedroom floor plan. So coming out, remember we had our formal dining room here. Our entry with that gorgeous courtyard, living room and kitchen. And down here, we are going to find our bedrooms. Oh, first, of course, we have the hall closet for the coats, which it's getting chilly. You need to wear those. So here is guest bedroom number 1 with a decent closet. And then coming back out the hall, we have our guest bathroom, full bathroom, good size. There's probably enough room to add a double sink if you wanted to. Now we have our flex space. Nice and big. Even has a little corner window. And then to the side, these windows show out to the entry. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. Also with a private garage, or a private closet. So there you go. What else do we need to see? Oh, we need to go outside. So for the outdoor space, there's actually a sliding door there and here. Let's go out the main. Go with the main slider. This is closer to a standard size yard. But very wide. Look at that. Maybe it's oversized. This is a huge yard, actually. It's just not deep. So here's our multiple patio spaces. We have the patio off the primary bedroom. Those cool shutters and the gas fireplace. They even have curtains on here so you could draw that closed for additional privacy. Then we have our dining patio outside the dining room. And lastly, we have the patio outside the living room. These are all covered patio spaces, which is great because it's going to give you some shelter. Nice clean design on this house. So I hope you enjoyed today's home tour. If you did, please don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. It'll help me reach more people and do more home tours. I am on a mission to film all the new homes in the Prescott and Prescott Valley area one at a time. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you that are watching this video. And I would love to hear your comments. This particular home is 2,531 square feet. This one has 3 bedrooms and a den, 2.5 bathrooms, plus standard with a 2-car garage, but as shown with a 3-car garage option. So if you have any questions about this home or any others in the Prescott or Prescott Valley area, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am absolutely here to help. That's why I do these videos, so that you can get to know me and hopefully contact me when you're ready to buy or sell your home. Thank you so much for watching. It's ODESSA KEILMAN with eXp Realty.